Alright, let's go.
He don't even know it's coming.
Yeah.
Who is penis popping?
That boy.
Handstand. Is that marshmallow? Shaving cream? You shaving your tongue?
I was on the plane with the Wayne.
Yeah, why that nigga like this is the funny stuff? Yeah, he got this phone where he like this. He got this phone with me like.
Right?
And then he put one leg on me, he was like, you a dog? That's not a fucking Hydra, nigga. What's wrong with you?
That shit was mad funny.
Oh, shoot.
I was on the plane with the Waynes.
You know, I tell you some good niggas, some real shit, right?
Got your feet in your mouth?
Yo, bossy on it. Yo! I love you guys, but I hate you. Like, I hate you and love you at the same time.
Oh!
Why would you guys put your feet in your mouth?
No, you missed the whole shit. Like, what? What, you have your feet in your mouth? Yo, so we're gonna do a real talk video, okay?
We're just licking your elbow.
My college is gonna come in handy. My college is gonna come in handy. You know, I'm a broadcast journalism major and shit. Here we
Welcome to
go.
the club.
Here we are reporting live from, what's this address? 10 South Street from Dee Dee and Tiffany's apartment. We have lovely Marquay here and we have Boss here. We have some great things to say about them. Today,
Whack!
they're not whack. We're gonna get our opinion on these two guys. Tiffany, when you think of
Just
Marquay and
record me.
Boss, what do you think of?
Fart and shit.
Oh. And why do you think those things?
Alright, put me on the camera. When I think
Can
of
you see him?
Tiffany
Hang on,
and
let's get the light. Hang on, let me get him the light. Can you see him?
I take offense to that. I take offense to that. And I'm hurt. Don't even record me anymore.
Good.
Aww.
Go call Dr. Bill, motherfucker.
We don't want it to be like that.
Now waddle your
So
big butt on out of here.
Marquay Wynn, what do you like most about Romantic? I know you haven't been here a bunch of times, but from what you know of this
Look at
town,
this.
what's your favorite thing?
Brett, record this right here. This is called the fat ass
Focus on me.
grab.
I'm the most important
And
one
we
in
all
this room
know
right
there's some
now.
beautiful females in this town, but who's your favorite beautiful female in this town?
I love you.
You haven't chosen
What?
yet.
Ask me. Ask me.
Well, when William Allen, like we've heard from Marquay here, there's a lot of beautiful females in this town. So, when it comes to this whole, I don't know, 1,000 population, who's your favorite female in this town?
Well, if you ask for my opinion, you know,
Who's your favorite rapper? Tiff.
my favorite rapper is Tiffany out of this town.
Tip for president, you guys. And that concludes our broadcast. Jamila reporting live from 10 South Street.
Now just stare at us. Now just stare at me.
Yeah, you sit there and look at the camera.
Just look at me now.
Wow, would you see her smoke? She smokes like no other. What do you feel like when you take those marijuana hits, man?
A chimney.
Yes, I wouldn't say it any other way. I mean,
And I'm sure Santa wouldn't mind coming down that chimney, now, would he, guys? No pun intended. So, William,
Yo, what's poppin', Five?
what do you have to say about, I don't know, just pick your own topic here, Miss Rose. How do you feel right now?
Yeah, I mean, they got me cooped up in the crib and shit. I'm over here, I got Marquise and Jay Rilla. Call Jay Rilla because their nickname used to be Gorilla.
My nickname is ACGs.
You know what I mean? If you could get a close-up on Dee Dee's shoes. These are exclusive ACG 2s. You can catch them at your local. I don't know, where do we sell these motherfuckers?
No, why are you so drunk?
Jerry Beans!
Take them out, show the world.
No. I'm gonna lose my job if I show these D's. Gosh, let's talk about some other things here, guys. Gosh.
Why are you guys so big?
I'm wasted.
She's calling my dog.
You're gonna be part of our news broadcast. Marquay? Wait, that's not the microphone. What happened to the microphone? Marquay, what do you think about this crazy incident that's going on right here? Did you miss this house or what?
You've only been here like once.
Ooh! Let's talk Suwoo Bird Gang. Okay, we got you. Here we go. Next person. Sasha.
Hey.
She's over there sipping. This bud's for you, ladies and gentlemen.
You wash their drawers with my stomach.
How you feel
Anyways.
right now, Sasha Sips?
I'm feeling good. Feeling good, see?
Good?
She's feeling good, ladies and gentlemen. And Azare, you're sitting here on the computer, on the phone always. She's not sexting. You can find her having a sexual conversation. It's one or the other. So how are you feeling?
Shut up. Is she sexting?
That's all she
Yeah.
do.
Is she cyber sexting? Sex hotlining?
What you say, William?
What we got one? William wants to get his Jerry beads. William! Show those titties, baby!
What you say now? Oh, that's what I thought. Shut your mouth.
Oh, we got one!
Bounce him.
Bounce! He's got more bounce than the ounce, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, he does. What else do we have to talk about today?
Huh?
There's really nothing else to talk about now.
Like,
It's like that from. Oh my god. Oh, we get the lady from.
give me that. Jamila, I need a lighter.
Alright, this
There you
session.
go.
That would be dead.
Where's the marijuana?
Cones and ass. We like to get real nasty.
Oh, ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream, ladies and gentlemen. Stick that cone in her ass. Yes. That's some things that we do on this show. And she licks it clean, guys. That one.
Jamila, why are you so drunk?
I don't know.
Look at this
because I ingested a bunch of alcohol, silly. What kind of question is that?
Hoes for hoes.
Hoes
Now
for
this is one of my
hoes.
main hoes.
See what you did?
I put him out all on the street, show these little nippies, show him, shake him, shake. Yeah.
What's his whole name?
Nasty time. Chocolate seduction.
Woo! Chocolate seduction with
Look
the
at
change.
these. Show me what you do, baby. Show it off. Show it off. Bounce it.
Bounce.
Do it like Joe.
Bounce.
Get up and show us like Joe did.
Like who?
Like Joe.
Like Joe, the guy in the party, Joseph.
Look at
Joe,
these.
come on, lift up
You
your
guys
leg.
see these?
Now get the fucking camera off me.
Psycho, yeah. There's something really wrong with you.
Listen.
Ow! Did he just